I'm sure you've heard the news. Your gut has opinions. We talk about having butterflies in our stomach when we're nervous or facing a gut-wrenching decision. We're often told to simply trust our gut. These phrases are so common, they feel like simple metaphors. But what if they're pointing to something much deeper? A profound biological connection that shapes our daily lives in ways we're only just beginning to understand. It's not magic, it's biology. Your gut is often called our second brain, and for good reason. It contains an intricate network of neurons, the enteric nervous system, that operates with a surprising degree of independence. But it doesn't work in isolation. It's in a constant, dynamic conversation with the brain in your head. To truly grasp how this works, we need to separate the popular myths from the scientific facts. Let's start with the biggest one. Myth. A gut feeling is a mystical or even psychic intuition. This belief is tempting because the feeling itself is so immediate and hard to explain. It seems to arrive out of nowhere, a sudden certainty that bypasses all logical thought. It feels like a message from another plane of existence, a secret insight into the future. We might feel a sudden urge to avoid a certain street, or an inexplicable sense of trust in a new acquaintance. Because we can't trace the logical steps, we attribute it to something beyond our understanding. But here's the fact. It's actually a fast, non-conscious brain process, rooted entirely in your physical body. Your gut and brain are in a constant, high-speed chat. This bidirectional communication highway is known as the brain-gut axis. The primary channel for this conversation is the vagus nerve, a massive nerve bundle that wanders from the brain stem down through the chest and into the abdomen, connecting with your heart, lungs, and, crucially, your digestive system. Think of it as a fiber optic cable, transmitting a torrent of data in both directions. They also communicate using chemical messengers or neurotransmitters. For instance, over 90% of your body's serotonin, a key mood regulator, is produced in the gut. These chemicals don't just stay there. They influence brain function, sending signals that can affect how you feel, from contentment to anxiety. So, when you encounter a new situation, whether you sense potential danger or a spark of excitement, your brain doesn't start from scratch. Instead, it runs a split-second prediction. This isn't a conscious, step-by-step analysis. It's an incredibly fast, subconscious process. In that instant, your brain pulls relevant data from your vast library of past experiences and memories, and it simultaneously scans your internal body signals, the current state of your heart, your lungs, and your gut. It integrates all this information and then delivers a verdict, a bottom-line summary that it sends back down to your body. This verdict might be a feeling of "trust this," or "proceed with caution," or a sharp "back away now." And that physical flutter you feel in your stomach, the butterflies, that's the physical manifestation of this verdict. It's your autonomic nervous system, the part of your nervous system that controls involuntary actions, reacting to the brain's prediction. Your heart rate might increase, your breathing pattern might change, and blood flow might even be diverted from your digestive system as part of a fight-or-flight response. All these physical changes are your body syncing with those lightning-fast predictions from your brain. So that hunch is an incredibly useful survival tool, a cognitive shortcut honed by evolution. It's especially powerful in situations where you don't have time for slow, deliberate analysis and decisions must be quick. But, and this is a critical point, it's not flawless. This rapid response system is a prediction, not a certainty. Because it relies on past experiences, your gut feelings can be colored by outdated information, unresolved fears, and hidden biases. Furthermore, chronic stress or anxiety can hijack the entire system. When you're constantly stressed, your gut is in a state of high alert, which can lead to misinterpreting neutral signals as threats, making your intuition unreliable. So what's the best move? It's a two-step process. First, listen to the signal. Acknowledge that feeling in your gut. Don't dismiss it. It's valuable data from your body, but then test it. If you have a moment, engage your conscious, rational brain. Combine that initial feeling with a quick fact check. Ask yourself, is this feeling based on the current reality, or is it an echo of a past event? What are the actual facts in front of me? Think of it this way. Your gut is a trusted, high-speed advisor, but it's not the CEO of your life. That role belongs to your conscious mind, which has the power to weigh evidence, consider consequences, and make a balanced choice. The secret to true wisdom isn't just trusting your gut. It's knowing when to trust it and when to question it. By understanding the beautiful biology behind the feeling, you can learn to use this powerful internal compass to navigate your world more effectively. Trust wisely.